Thank you for choosing your free 12-week 10K running program. In this video, I wanted to provide you an overview of what to expect over the next 12 weeks of your running program. Every Friday, you'll receive an email from me and my staff outlining what you're going to do in the form of running, strength training, and working on your flexibility over the next 7 days. There'll be a multitude of videos that will be available to you as a future resource. For example, what to eat before, during, and after a workout to make sure that you're optimizing your health, wellness, and ultimately your performance. There's going to be instructional videos on how to run properly. We're also going to show you what you can do to isolate certain muscle groups to increase your biomechanics when running. If at any time during this program you have any questions, please email me directly. My email address is rob@coachrob.com. Me and my staff look forward to following you from your starting line to the finish line.